Bum, ba 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 bum, ba ba bum, ba ba bum, ba 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 bum, ba 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 bum. नमस्कार
నమస్తే
नमस्कारा
वणक्कम
खुशामदीद
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
सत श्री अकाल
మీకందరికి వందనము
जय स्वामीनारायण
जय श्री कृष्ण
जय जनेन्द्र
मैं स्मारी भावंदों को बोलते या अली मदद
मोला अली मदद बोलते हैं सारे फीजिए मतलब बोलेंगे नीसाम बोला बटजन हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा मैं सिर्फ फालतू बाबा
and of course myself फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम शो that's going to make it totally exciting and totally मस्ताने बन जा रहा है.
That's right बटजन आज का थीम जो है फालतू रानी is a very nice theme which I love right it talks about all the funny folks in Indian cinema.
The funny folks बोले तो people who are funny.
People who are funny की बात नहीं है फालतू people who actually had you know the comedians of our times of our Indian cinema I should say.
The comedians of Indian cinema.
Because I think comedy has been playing a wonderful part in Indian cinema, narration-wise.
Right.
Because, there is drama, there's action, all those things. But apart from that, comedy also is there. And there was a time before the hero started doing the comedy portion also, which actually Amitabh Bachchan is the only one who actually successfully has pulled it off. To a certain level, Abhishek Bachchan also has pulled off the comedy part of it, little bit.
Okay.
I think Amitabh Bachchan put a lot of comedians out of job.
That's true, actually. Made the hero the comedian. And Amitabh Bachchan's a good comedian.
He's a good comedian.
Artist.
It's all about timing. But there was a time when there was a classification between a hero and a comedian and a particular villain kind of a thing.
कैसे रे?
There was a time that way, Faltwani.
Really?
And there were people who actually made their mark, coming in as, comedians and everything, right? One of the names which comes to mind, Faltwani, I want to start off this particular thing. There was a gentleman called Agha. You know who Mr. Agha is?
Yes, of course. He was Jalal Agha's papa.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Well,
Yeah.
he's known for his comic roles. And he actually supposedly was one of the people who actually kind of modeled his comedy around Bob Hope.
Oh?
Yeah.
Really?
That's what it says. My dad told me about this actually.
Acha.
And he was pretty famous. His career pretty much post-independence in terms of Valrani. So pretty much he was active in Indian cinemas since 1930s. All the way into 1980s actually, pretty much.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Mr. Agha. That is Agha ji. And let's start with a beautiful song in which it's picturized on him. And guess who is who's alongside him in this particular song? Vaijayanti Mala.
You're kidding?
There's a beautiful song from the movie Katputli. Enjoy the song, Bhajan. आज ऐसे कुछ मस्त गाने सुनने को मिलेंगे.
Mini mini titi, mini mini titi, mini mini titi, mini mini titi. दुनिया में चांद सूरज हैं कितने हसीन उतना ही सुन मेरे भैया दिल को लुभाए रुपैया
दुनिया में चांद सूरज हैं कितने हसीन उतना ही सुन मेरे भैया दिल को लुभाए रुपैया दुनिया में.
But Bhajan, this is the thing, right? This is actually from the movie from 1957, right? So you can imagine he's had already, by the time he's so established, he was actually pretty much been there for almost 20 years. By 1957 in the industry.
Wow. In this, he's a hero? No, right? No.
ये दुनिया दिखेगी रंगीली
सारे नशे इसके नौकर ये है चीज ऐसी नशीली
ये चमचम इसी की छम छम इसी की गाए इसी को गवैया
ये चमचम इसी की छम छम इसी की गाए इसी को गवैया.
I'll tell you what, can you imagine how it is, right? The scene, right? If you look at it, this particular song, agar aap sun rahe ho the Gana Bandhujan, it actually is a beautiful song from the movie Kathputli. And it talks about the glitz and glamour. Abhi bhi sach hai yaar, it's still true nowadays. Rupaya is a big one always, right?
That's true,
Exchange.
but
And that movie actually Katputli starring was Balraj Sahni sahab.
and
Parikshit Sahni's dad.
Yeah.
And Vajatiwala. They
And
were actual
Vajatiwala.
protagonist heroes, but equal to hero, there is the role of a comedian always.
Right.
थोड़ा और गाना सुनते हैं बलजान मिनी मिनी चीची
मिनी मिनी चीची मिनी मिनी चीची मिनी मिनी चीची दुनिया में चांद सूरज है कितने हसीन उतना ही सुन मेरे भैया दिल को लुभाए रुपैया.
That's why बजा दिल को भाई रुपया is what they're saying. But the point is मतलब ये music जो है वही लगता है singers late 50s. Think about it.
Is it Geeta Dutt?
No,
Then-
Lata Mangeshkar.
And
of course Mukesh Saab.
that was Mukesh?
Yeah.
Wow.
शंकर जय किशन साहब की म्यूजिक है बलजान.
लेकिन इसमें ये funny man है क्या आगा साहब?
Yeah, he's funny. In this movie, he's a funny. There's actually a song. In fact, would you believe this? I have seen this movie.
What?
Yeah.
Katputli.
Katputli is a movie. I've seen this movie.
I think I've seen it too. Dolere Katputli. But
Correct.
it's a sad movie, right?
It's a sad movie because the same thing, like the guide another relation of a guide kind of a thing, where she's trying to become successful as a performer and everything. So this song actually is also a stage performance.
Oh, wow.
So he also is a performer in this particular song.
Huh.
And again, performance, so of course, right, philosophical message aati hai isme. So there's a philosophical message in this particular song also, Balajan.
Huh.
But again, we are talking about not philosophy, but funny man of our industry.
Huh.
Right? And of course, अगर आपको कोई funny man याद आ रहा है आपका हमारी इंडस्ट्री में, please do call us. हाँ, आजकल if you look at funny man, what? Everybody is funny only. There's no funny man as such. Yeah, there's a funny man who's really funny is Tiger Shroff. People might argue with me. His PR's work, it really had to make him the most top 10. Have you seen the new PR effort of Tiger Shroff?
What is it?
So they actually started this thing where they are trying to say the top most martial artists,
Oh,
most famous martial artists of all time,
wow.
of the current time rather.
Huh.
You know who all they have?
Who?
Jackie Chan, agreeable, okay.
Huh.
And Jet Li is there, yeah. Guess who all are in that list? Tiger Shroff.
No!
And Vidyut Jamwal.
Vidyut Jamwal, I can agree because I've seen his...
Well, Vidyut Jamwal actually you can agree. You know why?
Why?
Vidyut Jamwal actually grew up learning Kalri Payattu.
Oh.
Since the age of 5, he's been learning Kalri Payattu.
Well, just to be fair to Tiger Shroff also, Altu Baba, I don't think I've seen him perform martial arts in any movie. For that matter, I've just seen him do the jazz kind of steps in
Yeah.
everything that he does, right?
Yeah. And of course, Deepa actually brings a very good point on Facebook. She said that nowadays she likes Ritesh Deshmukh. Ritesh Deshmukh, by the way, Deepa is classified as a hero or a second hero. He's not classified as a comedian.
Really?
Yeah. What do
Well,
you mean? Really?
even otherwise, nowadays, like that way, if
He
you
can't shoulder a movie on his own. It's a different issue. Yeah.
Arshad Varsi, what would you say?
Arshad Varsi is a comedian. He's not a hero. He's unfortunately.
These guys came as heroes,
Yeah,
right?
unfortunately
Altu?
came as heroes. That's true. Hey, but if you look at it, उस ज़माने का compare करेंगे ना, the people who are like, who pretty much were carrying the role as a comedian,
Huh.
right? Character artist come comedian. Do you know this particular person, Daddu?
Oh, yeah, of course. Om Prakash.
Om Prakash ji,
Yeah.
yes. And of course, how can you forget, we lost him last year, of course, Jagdeep Saab.
Yeah.
Jagdeep Saab actually came in as a comedian, as
Real-
a child
no,
artist.
as a hero,
No,
right?
as a child artist comedian he came in, and then he came in as a hero. He did a few movies as a hero. We did a special show on him, remember? We made a dedicated show on him, right?
Right.
And when having, comedians were also given a prominent role with giving them even a song to perform, right?
Right.
Can you name one comedian who was so popular as the hero
Huh.
would also get a song to his name?
Would get a song to his name.
Yes. He was a very popular comedian. Looked very different.
Johnny Walker.
I'm asking Bandus. I'm not. Okay, you won't actually take that? So fine, she gave the answer already, but
Oh,
I
is
can't.
that
I
right?
think.
I thought it was somebody else from the yesteryears.
What? Yesteryears ki baat kar rahe hain?
Yesteryears. Johnny Walker is not from yesteryears.
Johnny Walker. Who are we talking about?
Oh, I'm sorry. I totally mixed up two people.
Okay, fine. I thought he was mixing up many people.
I think I'm like
Can you please
tired
do
of
it next time
sleeping.
instead
I
of
need my
drinking the coffee,
coffee,
right? No, instead of drinking the coffee, I thought next time have a face wash with that if you can.
Yeah,
It'll probably
thank
wake you up.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, but then Johnny Walker ji, of course, yes, you know it. You know, he's very famous. We know about all his songs, right? So he actually was a person who actually used to even command a song for himself. I'm talking black and white ज़माने से,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
लेकिन उनको footsteps follow करते करते एक और comedian थे
हाँ.
जो belong करते हैं एक family से. His dad, I think, was also a comedian, if I'm mistaken. Comedian, or was it a very good actor or something like that? But anyway, his brother probably, I don't know exact thing, but you tell me if you can recognize who this particular comedian is, जिनके लिए हमारे मोहम्मद रफी साहब ने गाना गाया है. 1970s में बहुत famous थे ये.
दिल मेरा ले गई लाल बटुए में, हाय दिल मेरा ले गई लाल बटुए में, लाल बटुए में था जाल बटुए में, हाय दिल मेरा ले गई लाल बटुए में, हाय दिल मेरा ले गई.
Well, but then he's very well known for his slapstick comedy, physical comedy जो बोलते ना, he was wonderful at this. If you can recognize who this is, fine. In fact, उनका ना, he actually has always acted as a second fiddle for
Shammi
Shammi
Kapoor
Kapoor
sahab.
Saab in many movies.
Even Joy Mukherjee, right?
Of course, yes. At that
Yeah.
time, he was pretty famous, right? He was not the only sole hero, but उनका एक गाना होता था, ये गाना है.
हाँ.
And इस गाने में he's actually paired opposite Aruna Irani.
वो कातिल जवानी, हाय कातिल जवानी, भर के वो ले गई माल बटुए में, हो दिल मेरा ले गई लाल बटुए में.
Okay, I don't think people will know. People will know about this.
You know, is there another song in which he's there, Altu Baba, as the hero's friend?
Yeah, yeah.
He's there in another song, right?
He's there in the song. In fact, shall I play the song? Lal,
yeah.
Lal se yaad aaya.
Lal Chhadi, Maidan Khadi. He's there even in that particular song.
How about I do? How about I play that song of Lal Chhadi Maidan Khadi?
Yeah,
Because it goes with the Lal number.
Yeah, exactly.
name.
And there's some connection between him and Lal.
Yeah.
लाल छड़ी मैदान खड़ी, क्या खूब लड़ी क्या खूब लड़ी, हम दिल से गए हम जान से गए, बस आंख मिली और बात बढ़ी, लाल छड़ी मैदान खड़ी, क्या खूब लड़ी क्या खूब.
नमस्कार, पैम पैम, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. वेलकम टू फनी मैन फ्राइडेज. Who's this? Hello.
हेलो पैम पैम.
पैम पैम, कैसे हैं हमारे दीपा जी?
हाँ, हम लोग ठीक है. आप लोग बताओ कैसे हो?
Very good. लेकिन आज we're talking about some of the most famous comedians of our time, of our Indian cinema. ये जो comedian जी हैं, आपने पहचाना कौन है? He's actually he's not singing.
आई थिंक मैंने गाना कभी नहीं सुना, लेकिन बेस्ड ऑन द डिस्क्रिप्शन दैट यू गेव, इट हैज टू बी ईदर महमूद या फिर राजेंद्र कपूर.
राजेंद्र कपूर. राजेंद्र
राजेंद्र
कपूर.
कपूर या कुमार कुछ था. लाइक स्टैंडर्ड, हमेशा हीरो का दोस्त रहता था.
You're 50%. You're almost.
अच्छा एक्टिंग करता था.
सुनो, you're almost there 50%. Rajendra what?
He is related
राजेंद्र
to
कुमार
Raj
या
Kapoor.
कपूर?
No, he is related to Raj
राजेंद्र
Kapoor.
नाथ क्या?
Rajendra Nath. Yes, Rajendra Nath ji. Yes, very true, very true.
वो
Yes.
बहुत अच्छा करता था एक्टिंग किया.
Yeah,
I used to love him.
yeah, and when I was like, very young, my parents would introduce us to wonderful music, classic films of our times.
Yeah.
And one of the things which we watched was Shammi Kapoor movies.
Yeah.
And invariably, all that is his character's slapstick comedy commentator.
Yeah, in almost every single movie.
There was
And
no pun. But it just feel like laughing.
the thing is, just looking at his face, you feel like laughing.
I know.
Just
No,
looking
know.
at
he shows that vulnerability in comedy, right? I
Yeah.
mean, एकदम down to earth बंदा.
हाँ.
Like I remember my dad introduced me to him like वो जब भी मतलब कोई character अगर टीवी हम लोग देख रहे हैं तो he used to give all the commentary. हाँ ये है, इसका नाम ये है, and he used to act and blah blah.
Yeah. Okay, I'm
I
going to ask.
remember, and ever since, yeah, I think he acted with Joy Mukherjee also.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, speaking of Joy Mukherjee, I'm going to ask you. I talked about the fact that Amitabh Bachchan came in and took away the role of a comedian as a hero, right? He came as a hero, took away the comedian. But there was a comedian
Huh.
who came to that level where he took away the role of heroes also.
Huh?
Yeah, and there were movies made with his name.
Oh, yes. Well, there are a couple of people. Right?
he made a few sequel movies with his name on it.
Because wasn't one of them? Wasn't he also a movie maker?
Yeah, he was. You're right. He was a movie maker, and that's what, right? That probably, I don't know which came first. Whether he was a movie maker, then he became an actor, or whatever. But I don't know if Deepa will know. Deepa, how about if I play a song,
Yeah.
right, and you can try to guess, all right? So this particular gentleman came in as a comedian because he was not like a great-looking guy.
Yeah.
But the charisma he carried was that of a hero. So he came in as a comedian and he did movies without caring about the heroes. Right? Okay, here you go.
अच्छा अरे मैंने बोला ना महमूद
Huh? Wait.
Mahmood.
You know, I'll tell you, Deepa, don't jump to conclusions. Wait,
No.
okay?
No,
Here you go.
listen,
Listen fully.
Oh, Johnny Walker.
Huh? Again, okay.
नहीं.
See.
सुनना गाना सुनना तू.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
हाँ.
बड़े मियाँ दीवाने ऐसे न बनो हसीना क्या चाहे हमसे सुनो
Deepa, were you able to understand?
Oh, I know him, लेकिन उसका नाम याद नहीं आ रहा है कुछ. Oh, I don't know his name.
इनके नाम पे भी पिक्चर बना.
Wait, he was a person who was so famous.
मुखर्जी क्या?
नहीं.
He was so famous.
Huh.
He was so famous at the time that he was able to carry forward movies in his name actually.
Right.
Like this person in there.
मुझे उसका चेहरा सामने आ रहा है लेकिन I don't know his name.
Okay, now describe the chehra. चेहरा सामने आया तो describe करो.
Describe the चेहरा.
मुंह थोड़ा रोटी जैसा मतलब ऐसे.
Ah.
Hey, so mean, yeah. Don't do all those things, okay?
Hey, that's true. He had a Rodno face.
Hey,
Yeah,
he had
yeah.
a, he had a,
भी ये चाहिए. You need to. Yeah.
he capitalized on his looks. You know what a wonderful thing, right?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if anybody else will know. Anybody knows? Please give us a call. Deepa is actually, left hanging. She just knows the face. Well, okay, people.
Raj Lakhotia ji, no, we're not talking about the hero. We're not talking about Joy Mukherjee sir. We're talking about the comedian, the funny man here.
The funny man
उसके
here.
साथ जो है वो
हाँ.
सूट में उसके साथ चलता रहता है.
In fact,
I
मुझे-
remember him. Really.
this is like, I think the movie Hitch, right? Stole from these guys.
Yes, I 100% sure.
100% they stole it because this movie came long before Hitch came out.
1974 it came out. Hitch came out when? 2000, 90s.
No, 2000.
2000 something it came
Yeah.
out. something
Yeah,
like
so I
Yeah,
have.
वैसे I didn't care much about Joy Mukherjee. The plot was nice and the movie is nice that way.
that. Okay,
But,
and then,
yeah.
this particular person was so he had a sequel of movies coming out,
Yeah.
which were actually in combination with other heroes, other comedians,
Wow.
in different locations. One was in Goa, one was in Hong Kong, one was somewhere else.
Oh, really?
Nobody's able to guess it now. One was in Bombay, like that kind of stuff.
Really?
Yeah, he had that kind of stuff. He used to have a combination of all these things. The one in Kashmir.
चलो ठीक है मुझे तो पता नहीं है कोई और कॉल करके बोलेंगे.
राज लकड़ी जी एक्चुअली फेस में डाल दिया लेकिन दीपा ताकि वो कॉलिंग.
रंजीत भाटिया साहब.
हाँ तो दीपा जी आप आराम से ड्राइव कीजिएगा.
आप बताओ.
Enjoy करो.
प्रणव जी.
हाँ एक
प्रणव
मिनट.
जी
हाँ
might know.
हाँ बता दिया तो आप कॉल करेंगे. आपने बोल दिया
को
तो
भी
कॉल
बताया तो
करेंगे.
मीना जी.
या
दीपा शायद आर्मी में ट्रैवल कर रही है अभी.
Oh, Deepa, drive safely in the RV, okay? Bye, take care, okay? And of course, बच्चा right now, give us a call here, 4089122479. थोड़ा बहुत गाना सुनो और सोच के यहाँ पे कॉल करो 4089122479.
एंड दीपा एंजॉय करो अपना वीकेंड क्योंकि हम बहुत एंजॉय करेंगे कल ना
ओए
गीत
होए.
गाता चल में.
कल तो सब लोगों को मैंडेटरी एटलीस्ट 4 गाना गाना है.
हाँ बिल्कुल. एवरीबडी हैज टू सिंग 4 songs at least tomorrow.
Least.
Least,
We're going to
yeah.
work till 2. We're going to be there till 2 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah. Fall, Deepa will come back.
I don't know. Funny man Friday Balajan, who was this particular person who actually was a comedian who came in and took out the jobs of all the heroes Balajan. उनके खुद के 6 फिल्म आए जहाँ पे उनका नाम था फिल्म के टाइटल में.
सबसे पहले सुनो मियाँ करके वर्जिश बनो जवान सबसे पहले सुनो मियाँ करके वर्जिश बनो जवान चेहरा पालिश किया करो थोड़ी मालिश किया करो स्टाइल से उठे कदम सीना ज्यादा तो पेट कम ऐ टिपला उजले बालों को रंग डालो, बन जाओ गुलबाम बड़े मियां दीवाने।
हाँ, कॉल करना मत जान, अगर पहचाने तो कॉल कीजिएगा 408-912-799। राज लखोटिया जी, कॉल कर लो यार, 4089122479। अगर आप सोचे तो ये फिल्म का नाम है शागिर्द बनजन, एंड आई थिंक दिस हैज 2 वॉइसेस इन इट, मोहम्मद रफी एंड आई थिंक मन्ना डे साहब। पर अभी तक तो आप बस रफी साहब का आवाज सुना है, लेकिन थोड़ी देर में आएगा बनजन आपके लिए द नेक्स्ट वॉइस, दैट इज ऑफ मन्ना डा।
सीखो कर तब नए नए फैशन के ढब नए नए, सीखो कर तब नए नए फैशन के ढब नए नए। ढीला ढाला लिबास क्यों, रेशम पहनो कपास क्यों, फन ये जादूगरी का है, अरमा तुमको परी का है। तो किबला मारो मंतर, टेढ़ी बनकर निकलो वक्त शाम बड़े दीवाने।
हेलो नमस्कार, कहानी स्वाद फनी मैन फ्राइडे में, हु इज दिस? हेलो,
मैं राज बोल रहा हूँ।
ओए होए
राज
राज,
लखोटिया।
कैसे राज साहब?
बहुत अच्छे।
तो
कैसे हैं आप लोग?
first class।
बहुत अच्छी टीम है, वेरी नाइस।
थैंक यू। देखो, हमारे हीरो के बारे में बहुत बातें करते हैं, लेकिन कॉमेडी के बारे में कम ही बात करते हैं, लेकिन ये
बड़े
ऐसे
अच्छे टॉपिक लेके आए हो आप,
हाँ
वेरी नाइस।
करेक्ट, ये जो कॉमेडियन है जो हीरो को भी टक्कर दिया उन्होंने, कौन है ये बताइए?
बिल्कुल, ये IS जोहर।
IS जोहर, वह तो है, he was just what do you call, he was a writer and also producer, very multi-talented personality. He was a director rather.
उसकी और भी बहुत अच्छी कॉमेडी की पिक्चर आई, जॉनी मेरा नाम इज वन ऑफ द गुड वंस।
Correct. And then
इसमें ट्रिपल रोल था उसका, ट्रिपल, पहला दूसरा तीसरा।
wait, was
wow,
it
really?
Johnny मेरा नाम or was it हाँ, Johnny मेरा ट्रिपल रोल था।
जॉनी मेरा नाम में देवानंद के साथ था।
And the way, look at the branding he did, फालतूनी।
हाँ।
उनका ब्रांडिंग देखो, उस टाइम में उन्होंने ब्रांडिंग के ऊपर फोकस किया था। उनके फिल्मों का नाम थोड़ा सुना था बंदे लोगों को, महमूद एंड जोहर इन गोवा, राइट?
गोवा,
Sorry,
exactly,
जोहर,
मैं बोलने वाला
sorry,
था।
जोहर
उसमें भी
महमूद,
काफी अच्छी कॉमेडी है उनकी।
I think it was called Johar Mahmood in Goa, and then
Johar Mahmood in Goa.
मेरा नाम जोहर,
And then Johar Mahmood in Hong Kong or something.
Hong Kong, and Johar in Kashmir, Johar in Mumbai.
ये बहुत सारी अपनी पिक्चर वो बनाते थे ना, ऐसे ही बनाते थे बिल्कुल।
Correct. And yeah, that's come on, it's okay, right? It was nice.
It's like उनका खुद का ब्रांडिंग अच्छा कर दिया उन्होंने,
Very
मतलब you know
correct.
छाप लगा दिया।
Very true. And ऐसा कोई आपको याद आ रहे हैं जो आप you really want to say a mention about them?
कोई ऐसे कमेडियन?
देवन वर्मा।
Oh my God!
You know,
उसको बोल रहे वो, उसकी कॉमेडी बिल्कुल नेचुरल कॉमेडी थी, बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं वो जैसे गुदगुद करके हंसा रहा हो।
एक गाना है राइट आलतू बाबा?
I'm thinking which song it was. I'm not able to get it.
मम्मी, ओ मेरी मम्मी,
अंगूर पिक्चर से।
तू कब सास बनेगी?
वो उनका है क्या?
हाँ।
Okay. And this is the अंगूर फिल्म का, yes.
अंगूर फिल्म में गाने हैं?
बहुत गाने हैं, बहुत सारे गाने हैं। डबल रोल, ट्रिपल डबल रोल था उसका उसमें।
That's true. Sanjeev Kumar and him, right?
Yeah, I know.
संजीव कुमार का भी डबल है, उसका भी डबल। शेक्सपियर की उसमें बनी थी मूवी है,
Correct.
कॉमेडी ऑफ एरर्स।
मेरे को कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा है उस फिल्म से, गाना आपको याद है? आई थिंक आर डी बर्मन का गए था ना, म्यूजिक था उनका।
आर डी बर्मन का था, राइट।
There was a song which was that PK गाता ना, गाना है PK गाता है, what is the song? He's
Yeah.
drunk and he sings the song.
In Angur, is it?
Angur, हाँ.
I don't remember.
Something about some, oh my goodness. Is it like something to do with something Ann Milo, something, right?
Really?
हाँ, आन मिलो क्लासिकल टाइप का था, उसमें नाइट टाइम में जैसे थोड़ा सा वो है ना, जैसे मिस्ट्री टाइप का, वो बड़ा कॉमेडियन वो है, मिस्ट्री टाइप की।
Correct. वही ना?
प्रीतम आन मिलो।
हाँ, प्रीतम आन मिलो, yes.
Yes, of course.
Was it from
आन
Angur?
मिलो,
हाँ, वही है। Like, and yeah, वो था, एक और था उनका, एक और combination with hey, what is the movie, man? खट्टा मीठा।
खट्टा मीठा
उनका ही था ना? Wasn't he there in the खट्टा मीठा thing?
खट्टा मीठा में मुझे याद नहीं है, था कि नहीं।
I
Khatta
don't
Meeta, Khatta Meeta, Khatta Meeta, Khatta Meeta. Wasn't he there in that? I thought he
हाँ.
was there.
See, लेकिन मुझे अच्छी तरह से उनका कौन सा गाना याद है मालूम है?
कौन सा वाला?
वो मम्मी ओ मम्मी तू कब सास बनेगी?
Right, हाँ ये बीच है, which is also good.
Oh, okay. You know what? We'll play that song for you.
It was Shubha Khote. I don't know. I don't remember who the mom was in that particular role. So it
ठीक
was
है,
like
लगा देंगे, लगा देंगे.
हाँ.
I think this was voiced by Kishore Kumar, if I'm not mistaken, right?
I don't remember.
This was the Khatta Meeta, right? Rajesh Roshan's ka production.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
And of course, Raj Lokhanda sir, thank you so much for calling us, sir. Sunte rahega. We have some nice songs coming.
Oh,
your way.
what a good
Sure.
pick! It's
Yeah,
been so
thank you.
long since we thought about Devan Verma,
You
right?
know, we totally missed it out, right? We last time show also we didn't focus on him. It's there on the topic, but we never focused on him.
कब सास बनेगी मम्मी ओ मम्मी तू कब सास बनेगी
Well, the story is very interesting. He's supposed to be a Parsi family, right? That's why he's asking. Hey, go to waiting for namaskar. Hello. Okay, अब बताओ फालतू क्या बोल रही तू?
No, मैं कह रही थी कि Parsi, in the Parsi community, right? Parents are a strong figure. So जब तक पापा या मम्मी कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे तो ये शादी नहीं कर सकते.
Correct, that's so
तो
funny.
वैसे इसीलिए this it's very beautifully established. The way he talks and the way his character is like amazing in this movie.
देवल वर्मा जी का नाम हमने ले रहे थे and of course we got a call waiting for नमस्कार आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम Funny Man Fridays मोहम्मद बच्चन साहब कैसे सर?
How are you?
वेरी गुड सर थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड में रेडियो कम कर दो सर प्लीज.
Happy Friday.
हैप्पी फ्राइडे टू यू सर लेकिन बैकग्राउंड में रेडियो कम कर दो सर.
क्या हो रहा है?
आपका रेडियो बज रहा है थोड़ा कम कर दो ना प्लीज.
तो छोटा हो.
हेलो हेलो.
हेलो.
हाँ सर.
हेलो.
हाँ बोलिए सर.
हुकुम सर क्या चल रहा है आज?
नहीं हम लोग फनी मैन की बात कर रहे हैं कॉमेडियंस ऑफ आवर यस्टर ईयर्स मतलब हमारे इंडियन सिनेमा के. अच्छा आप
सर,
कुछ बीप कर रहे हो क्या बोल
आप
रहे हो?
क्या कर रहे हो?
मैं तो बैठा हुआ हूँ.
हाँ कुछ बीप साउंड आ रहा था बट एनीवे थैंक यू सो मच. हाँ बोलिए सर.
कॉमेडियन का क्या सवाल है सर?
ये देवन वर्मा जी के बारे में बात कर रहे थे हम लोग.
किसके बारे में?
देवन वर्मा जी याद है आपको?
देवन वर्मा या अंगूर में जाने जबर में.
हाँ
अंगूर में जबर रोड में था
करेक्ट.
संजीव कुमार के साथ.
हाँ जी सर लेकिन आज हम लोग आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि आपके जहन में कोई ऐसे एक्टर हैं जो बड़े अच्छे कॉमेडियन थे या रहे हैं एंड जो
अब आप सुने.
हाँ
नूर मोहम्मद.
कौन है?
नूर मोहम्मद.
चावड़ी.
ओके और कौन?
गौरी.
गौरी जी. ओके ओके ओके. आगा यस बात है. आपने याकूब की बात नहीं की आपने? याकूब जी.
हाँ
मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ ना. मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ.
कौन है?
आ रहे हैं. डेविड. ओके.
अच्छा अब याकूब और गोप.
हाँ हाउ अबाउट आपने भगवान दादा की बात नहीं की सर क्यों?
भगवान दादा ही वाज ऑन टॉप ऑफ एवरीथिंग. भगवान दादा
एंड गोप या गोप वाज वन ऑफ द क्यूटेस्ट.
मैं बोला ना गोप एंड याकूब.
गोप looked like you know he looked like Laurel Hardy.
Really?
गोप एंड याकूब. उसके अलावा आपका सुंदर.
हाँ
सुंदर कौन है?
सुंदर बड़ा प्यारा कॉमेडियन था.
he was a very good dancer right सुंदर.
भाई कई फिल्मों में आया वो.
करेक्ट.
तो इसके बाद फिर आपके चले आइए जौहर और मजनू.
हाँ वो बात किया हमने ऑलरेडी.
हाँ
सर तो
सर किसी ने असरानी पेंटल का नाम नहीं लिया यार. पेंटल
आ रहे ना ये लोग सब नाम ले लेंगे. हमारे मोहम्मद साहब तो किसी को छोड़ने ना नहीं है. बट सर थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कॉलिंग.
अब हम ले देते हैं
हाँ
कि आप उससे आइए असरानी पर आइए.
हाँ क्यों आए? हाँ
अच्छा असरानी से कादर खान
वो भी he was actually
Johnny Walker.
Johnny Walker yes Johnny Walker yes अभी we coming to close up a show already. हम लोग महबूब जी का गाना लगा के जाने वाले. What do you think Fatah?
Okay.
वो है ना अपने पड़ोसन का मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में.
लगा दूं सर लगा दूं?
हाँ
चलो लगा दे दो सर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कॉलिंग अस. आपके लिए और सामने वाली खिड़की लगा देंगे अभी.
हाँ.
नहीं लेकिन उसपे तो महमूद जहाँ कहाँ पे सामने वाली खिड़की
सामने वाले खिड़की में नहीं एक
वो।
कच्चा तो रनार
हाँ।
करके सिंगार
वो लगाऊं फलवानी
मेरे मन के द्वार.
लगाऊं?
हाँ लगाओ.
हाँ
नो प्रॉब्लम.
बट इसी के साथ हम लोग अभी आज का शो यहीं पे समाप्त करने वाले हैं लेकिन बताएंगे आपको कि हम कल मिलेंगे हम लोग शाम में 5 बजे विद आवर बेरिया बकबक हेल्प्स अस गोना कंटिन्यू टू आवर ऑन साइट जीजीसी गीत गाता चल रहा हूं. स्टे ट्यून्ड मिलजन. अगले आवर में वी गोना हैव सम वंडरफुल म्यूजिक कमिंग आउट बिकॉज़ ऑफ द अनमोल नगमे एंड उसके बाद में ऑफ कोर्स वंडरफुल वीकेंड रहेगा आपके लिए, बट याद रहे कि वीकेंड में वी माइट हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ हीट वेव हियर, सो
Stay cool, stay hydrated.
Yeah, and कहा जाता है कि you got to wear mask even if you're the new latest news or breaking news to you is Fauci has said even if you're vaccinated and fully vaccinated, it's advisable to have a mask on and maintain all the protocols of safety because the variant actually is seeming to be troublesome and some data are disturbing for you guys. So हम लोग good morning पे definitely share करेंगे आप लोगों के
And most importantly, if you're not vaccinated, get vaccinated. Get vaccinated, Manujan.
Yes. Though we dispense the most working medicine for you guys, sometimes you got to be safe. You can always laugh with the mask on, right?
Yes.
All right, Manujan, good night, Shabba Khair, and a प्यार भरा
bala 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 re, bala 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 re, bala 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 re. एक चतुर नार बड़ी होशियार, एक चतुर नार बड़ी होशियार, अपने ही जाल में हंसत जात हम हंसत जात, अरे एक चतुर नार बड़ी होशियार. तू क्यों थी रे, तू क्यों गोरी, ध्यान तेरे कर लाग लाग दुनिया चतुराई, चुटकी कर दूंगा मैं उसकी अब के जो आवाज.
A quick heads up, Manujan, for those of you who are driving, we just got a traffic alert. There's a major slowdown on EB I-80 in Oakland right now because of an overturned container of a truck with lettuce spilling out onto the freeway. Now, don't go and try to make salad. 3 lanes are currently blocked, but the CHP is saying that they estimated to reopen a little later. So please make sure that you take alternate routes. Thank you.
जा रे खारे कागा काका का क्यों शोर मचाए, उस नारी का दासन बन जो राह चलत को राह भुलाए. काला रे जा रे खारे नाले में जाके तू मुंह धो के आ. काला रे गारे 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 गारे